FOMC meeting is tomorrow, and there is renewed concerns that there is a rate hike sitting firmly on the table. What's going on, everybody? Here's the market update. Expectations right now, rates will remain steady at their current rate, but there is a 55 to 80-ish% chance there is a rate hike coming at you in September. But for now, it's a coin toss. Warsh has been pretty clear on this. He doesn't like to give forward guidance. He wants the market to react in real time to what they give, not to make predictions ahead of time. We had earnings last week with Alphabet and Tesla, and both of those responded unfavorably. There was talks about there being a pause on the strike. Whatever the market adjusted for that in the morning, it has already moved past that. The market has decided that a pause is not peace, and without peace, they have no conviction behind this. Brent crude dropped on that news, but it is still staying heavily into the mid 80s, 84, 85. We open ES at 75.20, but we fall immediately into the day and close around 74.45. NASDAQ breaks under 28,000 briefly, recovers 28,130. This is all on those big tech names, especially those chip names that are getting beat down again, with SanDisk taking the lead down over 11% and another 3-ish% in after hours. Nvidia breaks under 200 and Nvidia loses its spot as that leader. Apple takes the claim for that leaderboard once again. Like all things, Apple has been fashionably late to the AI trade, and they are actually getting rewarded for not having this erroneous capital expenditure like all of these other companies. Bloom Energy gives earnings tomorrow. Right now, they're sitting at that 200-day moving average. SPCX continues its decline all the way down to 108.66. It did recover to 113, but remember, when this thing is going to have a portion of the lockup start to open after its Q2 earnings release in August, but at this point, it does not look like it's going to get that performance-based lockup release. Remember, that's about 30% of the IPO price, so it would have to trade around $175 a share for at least 5 of the 10 consecutive trading days prior to those earnings release, and at least at this point in time, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Remember, big earnings week this week. I expect a lot of volatility, especially tomorrow and the rest of this week. Everybody have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Mind your stops. Peace and love.